As a fellow motorcycle rider, I know how dangerous and fun it can be to ride. Unfortunately, I've been in motorcycle crashes, even though I'm a careful and defensive rider. I'm Seth Bradley, Senior Trial Attorney at Eason Tambornini. Our firm has 30 years of experience defending the rights of motorcyclists involved in accidents that were not their fault. If you've been injured in a motorcycle accident, here are a few things to consider. First, the absence of a vehicle's physical protection frequently leads to serious injuries to the brain, the spinal cord, broken bones, and other internal organs. The full extent of these injuries may not be immediately apparent. Additionally, motorcycle accidents often happen because the other driver's negligence, like unsafe lane changes or someone pulling directly out in front of you, even without a direct collision. Establishing liability in these cases can be complex and requires a thorough investigation. A skilled motorcycle attorney by your side increases the chances of winning a maximum settlement, including all the damages you have a right to, both financial and non-financial. We'll challenge any biases against motorcyclists and fiercely defend your rights to ensure you get the justice that you deserve. Call our office today for a free consultation and have your questions answered. If we take your case, you pay nothing until we win.